Namaskar and good afternoon. So, currently, not much weather system is there over most areas of the country, but in the southern peninsula side, over Comorin area and adjoining Sri Lanka area, there is one upper air cyclonic circulation. Because of that, areas of Tamil Nadu, Kerala is getting and likely to get widespread rainfall for for couple of days, and it is expected around 29th near South Andaman Sea. There is chance of formation of one low pressure area adjacent to our state Maharashtra. There is no strong system available. Based on that, the forecast for Konkan Goa current 48 hours, that is 26th, 27th, it would be dry. 28th, 29th of November, it is likely to be isolated rain chance, and 30 there is chance of scattered light rain. And what regional meteorological center Mumbai has specified that Raigad Ratnagiri Sindhudurg district on 29th 30 likely to get light rain associated with thundery activity, and for Mumbai Thane maybe on 30th November likely to get very light to light rain associated with thundery activity. For Madhya Maharashtra 26, 27, 28 till 28, there is likely chance that it would be mostly dry condition, and 29-30 there is chance of isolated very light to light rain. So during the period maybe Pune, Kolhapur, Satara, Sangli on 29-30 likely to get thundery activity associated with very light rain, and for Nasik, Ahmednagar chance of thundery activity may be on 30th. So this thundery activity both over Konkan and Madhya Maharashtra may be associated with a momentarily gusty wind, means strong wind. Now for Marathwada, till 29th it is likely to be dry, and 30 maybe southern part of Marathwada may get isolated very light rain. Vidarbha 26 to 30 period likely to get dry condition. Now coming to temperature condition, minimum temperature, current 24 hours, especially in northern part of Maharashtra may get marginal fall in minimum temperature. So after that, because of moisture incursion and because of easterly wind, it is expected that temperature from 26th to maybe 2nd of December would be increasing marginally. Minimum temperature will increase marginally, and after that, means 3rd onward, likely chance of northerly northeasterly wind to penetrate especially northern part of our state. So that time there is a chance of fall in minimum temperature. Coming to Pune city in and around forecast, so 26th, 27th, today and tomorrow, it will be mainly clear sky associated with time to time partly cloudy condition but no chance of rain. Even 28th, cloud amount will increase, it will be partly cloudy, chance of rain will not be there on 28. 29 to 29, 30 and 1st of December, 29, 30 November, 1st of December. Likely chance of partly cloudy condition, afternoon time. It may be generally cloudy condition, means cloud amount will increase. It may be associated with thundery activity and very light to light rain expected in and around Pune city. And second onward, rainfall activity will reduce for couple of days and it would be partly cloudy condition. Regarding Pune city temperature, as I said earlier, current 24 hours there may be marginal fall or more or less same minimum temperature will be maintained, but after tomorrow that minimum temperature will marginally rise till end of the month or maybe early 1st, 2nd of December. Chance of fall in minimum temperature we may expect from 3rd December onward for some days. That's all right now. Time to time, kindly watch our website for latest weather update. Thank you.